Hello again, it's Priscilla Batzell in Spring Hill, Florida at Expressionist Art Studio Gallery in the studio gallery. This is a 24 by 12 inch pre-primed black canvas that I'm adding a wet layer of paint to the surface of. And I will probably use white Meeden, M-E-E-D-E-N paint that I had left over from thinking I was going to do some more Dutch pours, which I may still someday, but it had a lighter viscosity. It wasn't quite as heavy, which made it a good choice to use as a puddle pour if I'm going to smear something. And honestly, it looks like I have enough paint right now to cover everything anyway, which is okay. I don't need a heavy layer. I just need a facilitatory layer. I'm going to use some Amsterdam black with pre-stained wood conditioner from Minwax in it. 10 drops of wood conditioner to mixed up 2 ounces of Amsterdam black with my regular pouring recipe, which is below the video under show more. I am going to I'm going to take that, knock it up there, throw that in the bucket. And take my paint. Now I did a dragon with these colors and I liked it so much I wished I had done something different. Well, actually I like the dragon fine. But I like the colors a lot, that's the bottom line. That was a red from Folk Art that's color shifting. It shifts to pink. This is a hot orchid from Color Art. This is a Decor Americana 24 karat gold. This is an orange from Modern, it's Master's Touch from Hobby Lobby with some iridescent pearl fine mixed into it. This is my neon purple from Folk Art that also has iridescent pearl fine mixed into it. I think I'm going to grab myself some dioxazine purple. I really want some darker blue. Maybe I should grab if it's open, oh, of course it's not. I cleared this earlier. This is the Prussian blue and it had a light skim on the top. Trying to figure out what color I'm missing, and it's right in front of me, which is a color I call Velveeta, which is also good. The name is Dairy Lid. I think it was a Liquitex product, but it might have been a golden product. I think it was Liquitex. I'm not sure. Here's some dioxazine purple. I have a trowel. And I want this to be fast and simple, and I hope I can get away with it. I'm going to add some Amsterdam black to that. Move my objects out of the way as best I can. I'm going to start in the middle, I guess. I'm going to just really give that a good copious amount of black. And that's exactly what I wanted. Let's see if I can get it to go the other direction also. I'll scrape off my tool. That's what's left, and it all seems to be Amsterdam black. This could be over in a heartbeat. So I should tell you I have 93,000 subscribers. And if you're new, please be welcomed. And if you're not new, thank you for being here. And if you're not subscribed, please join us. We'd love to have you. If I go this way, then that's just awesome. I got a couple of bloopers. That's one. That's another. when I used to do dribble pours like this. And there's another one. I used to what? I don't know. I completely lost that thought. I'll just use my Princeton Art Tool Catalyst spatula, available on the Amazon link underneath the link tree. The first blue link under the video is the link tree. It has all of my other links on it, including Facebook groups, Expressionist Art Studio Gallery Appreciation Group for Students, Expressionist Art Studio Gallery Totes and More has a Shop Now button that'll take you to Fine Art America and Pixels.com. I'm liking my colors. I'm very happy that this worked out as well as it did. It's a pretty simple procedure. Once you get the hang of it, it might take you a minute. It probably would have me the first time too. I haven't done a smear exactly like this, but it's exactly like what I wanted to do, so I'm pretty happy. I'm going to torch to release the bubbles caught in the paint. I add GAC 800 by Golden to all of my paint mixtures so they do not crack. Unfortunately, I just found out the last offering of GAC 800 by Golden was $92 a gallon, so I'm going to be saving up and hoping that people are interested in helping support the studio by making a donation through PayPal or Patreon. You can find the icons on the bottom right-hand corner of the YouTube channel banner below Show More. On the YouTube channel banner, my YouTube channel, not below Show More. So I have over 19 lists of 100 videos, playlists. I could tip this, but I don't want to because it's nice. Maybe I'll do another one and tip that one. I'm going to zoom in so you guys can see. Thank you guys for the wonderful compliments that keep me grounded, keep me happy, keep me well adjusted, keep my morale from failing. I can't keep up with my compatriots, but I'm not really doing the same thing as they are anyway. They're doing a very good job with their collaborations. I haven't rolled a marble yet, but it doesn't mean I won't. I am going to make small adjustments. The nice thing about the Decor Americana Gold is it will dendrite. And it will just spread and fill in a little bit. I could probably dribble colors around the outside of that, but I think I'm pretty happy with that just exactly the way it is. I need to fix a light sensor on my camera, I do believe. It makes it hard for you to see how incredibly dynamic and contrastful these colors are. But you can see that there's a lot of cells. My cell recipe, my cell activator recipe is with my regular recipe. They're both under Show More underneath the video. I want to say thank you again for all the donations that help keep me painting. Really appreciate that. My Amazon link is a great place to shop and will help support the studio at no added cost to you if you use it to shop anything on Amazon. You can find my 2 books there because I can, and Unlimited Possibilities. And I really appreciate when you start shopping Amazon there. I appreciate it very much. My Teespring clothing below the video has Oliver print t-shirts and Oliver print leggings. And if you're looking on my link tree, you'll find my brand new Legalerist Montreal-made beautiful fashions with very select patterns and designs from my collection of stuff. High-end dresses, scarves, kimono tops, just beautiful stuff in general. Check it out. I'm trying to I'm trying to pay for art supplies on my own, but I want to provide people with some high-quality products. Pinterest, Instagram, and Twitter links are on my link tree, along with Facebook groups, Expressionist Art Studio Gallery Appreciation Group for Students, Expressionist Art Studio Gallery Totes and More for Shopping, Pixels.com and Fine Art America, Expressionist Art Studio Gallery Fans and Collectors for checking out the albums. My email address, when you open Show More, is directly under the link tree, should you be interested in purchasing an artwork or requesting information about a class at the house in Spring Hill, Florida. That's the way to go. Please give me a thumbs up. When you like my videos, it makes me happy. When you share them, it makes me happy. When you watch them longer, it helps my standing on YouTube, and I really, really appreciate that. Don't forget, there's 2,000 videos, and some of them are coming up, but organized by topic and genre, and if you can't find what you're looking for, please ask. And if you want to buy a reproduction of anything and you can't find it, please ask, because I'll add it to Teespring or Pixels.com, Fire North America. I can't do it till the gallerist yet, not until I sell something more than I have already, but I'm looking forward to the time when I can add new items at your request. Thank you guys again. I love you very much. Bye for now. Take care of each other. Take care of yourselves. I'll see you anon. This is Priscilla Batzell in Spring Hill, Florida, at Expression Studio Gallery, saying, hey, you know what? I post 7 days a week, and Friday, Saturday, and Sunday night at 10 p.m. And I hope you come again. If you're not subscribed, please subscribe. I love you guys, all of you. Bye for now. Priscilla out.